For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling to cook healthy meals for yourself and your family? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712. Its ability to not only save time, but also provide a hassle-free way to steam vegetables, seafood, and even poultry. Therefore, let me tell you about this incredible product that has changed the way I cook. I was skeptical at first because I thought steaming food would be a tedious task, but with the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712, it's become a breeze to prepare healthy meals. This is not just any ordinary steamer. Its sturdy construction and compact design make it perfect for kitchens of all sizes. But there's more. This product has taken my cooking experience to the next level by allowing me to cook multiple foods at once. The 2-tier design means I can place different ingredients on each tier, ensuring everything is cooked evenly and efficiently. Therefore, if you're struggling with meal prep or are short on time during the week, the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712 is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. But don't just take my word for it. Keep watching to learn more about its impressive features and how they've made cooking easier for me. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive deeper into what makes the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712 so exceptional. As you can see from this product image, it has a sleek and modern design that will complement any kitchen decor. Therefore, not only does it perform well, but also looks great on the countertop. Here are some of the key features I've discovered during my testing. The Oster 2-tier steamer 5712 comes with 2 tiers, allowing for simultaneous cooking of multiple foods. It's equipped with a compact design and sturdy construction, making it perfect for small kitchens. This product has a convenient handle for easy transport from the stovetop to the table. The steamer basket is made of durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe. But what truly sets this product apart from others in its class is its ability to maintain a consistent temperature. Therefore, you can be assured that your food will cook evenly every time. Now, let's talk about the performance of the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712. During my testing, I cooked a variety of foods including vegetables, seafood, and even poultry. The results were nothing short of impressive. Everything was cooked to perfection with ease. Therefore, if you're looking for a product that can help streamline your cooking process while producing healthy meals, the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712 is an excellent choice. But what about cleaning? Let's face it, nobody likes scrubbing away at stubborn stains. The good news is that this product is relatively easy to clean due to its stainless steel construction and dishwasher-safe components. Therefore, if you're still on the fence about purchasing the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712, I urge you to keep watching as I reveal even more benefits of this fantastic product. Now that we've explored some of the key features and performance capabilities of the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712, it's time to talk about its value. Here are 3 compelling reasons why you should consider adding this product to your kitchen. 1. Convenience. With the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712, you can cook multiple foods at once, saving you valuable time during meal prep. 2. Versatility. This steamer is not just limited to steaming vegetables, it's also perfect for cooking seafood and poultry. 3. Ease of cleaning. The stainless steel construction and dishwasher-safe components make cleaning a breeze. But what about the cost? I know that budget can be a significant concern when purchasing new kitchen appliances. Therefore, let me reassure you, the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712 is affordable and well worth the investment. Therefore, don't wait any longer to take your cooking experience to the next level with the Oster 2-tier steamer 5712. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon today.